The hot bridle is, I guess, the last bit of rolls to these grip touches before it goes into the molten pot on a zinc balloon line.
This project was a fantastic initiative raised by one of our experienced operators on MCL4, a gentleman by the name of Duncan Parkinson. This idea is raised due to the safety hazards and concerns with dealing with scheduled and unscheduled rethreads around our hot bridle platform.
Behind me, we've got the MCL4 hot bridle. It's an area we have to access when we're rethreading the line. When we're doing that, it's quite a dangerous activity. We've tried to make it safer. Normally we'll be standing up on an elevated platform with handrails removed and a forklift engaged in that gap. An area that we thought was unsafe, and we've made improvements now. Operators can stand on the ground level away from the elevated work area. I'd like to demonstrate how we'd rethread using Ernie's wagon behind us, the portable recoiler, and we're going to show how we can do that from the ground level. We've threaded some cardboard through the line to show what a rethread would look like.
We generally use this in a situation where we'd be recoiling during a rethread. So light strip would be connected to Ernie. Simply an operator would simply recoil the light strip.
Eliminated the risk of working at height with our rethreading task.
It's been a great addition. So I guess from an operations standpoint, mainly driven by the safety aspect, trying to eliminate for us the hazard of working with moving strips during rethread in a spoil area. And this project delivers that. Now we're able to operate in a safe system.